Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Buick Encore Preferred. This comes with a white exterior and a two-tone beige and black interior. Blind spot assist. Buick Encore badging. And trunk here. Rear seats. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Driver door controls. Driver seat controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. With a push-button ignition. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 10,172. And we can see our Buick display here. Touchscreen with radio, backup camera, navigation. And climate control right below. Shifter. This does have a manual mode. You can switch gears with that right there. And then our center console. And if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.